Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve WeChat lag. To know how to fix or how to solve WeChat lag, you should just go to settings. Here in this page, we click apps, default apps, app settings. When you will find this page, you will enter to the window of WeChat. Then we click for stop and we click OK. After that, we will enter to storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You will wait a moment and you can turn on your Wi-Fi again. If it's not working with you, you can turn off your phone or you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video. And thank you for your attention and your watching.